back in the garage. What I'm going to do today, or I thought I'd do today, is just while I'm waiting on stuff to come back from the powder coater, I thought I'd go ahead and put on, move out of the way here, the fuel pump and the slave clutch slave cylinder. So I'm just going to go ahead. I have these. Of course, these are also picked up from DJ's Minis in Tampa, Florida. Shout out to Dion there. So simple 2 bolts that just bolt to the top of the transmission. So when, of course, there's a push rod that goes up inside of that, the body of the slave cylinder. And then, of course, we'll leave the connections and stuff off until it's in the car, and then we'll run all the stainless steel braided lines. So that's going to be installed there. So go ahead and set that to the side for now. And the other thing that we'll be installing today is the mechanical fuel pump. So I figured just kind of knock things out while we wait. Like I said, things coming back from powder coating. So this is a brand new standard mechanical fuel pump. And this is also purchased from Mini Spares, of course, but through DJ's Minis in Tampa, Florida. So this will just bolt on there as well. So we'll just go ahead and take care of those 2 projects today. And we might do a couple more little things since we're already out here in the garage. But we'll start with the clutch slave cylinder first, and then we'll come back and do the mechanical fuel pump. All right, so I'm going to press pause. I'm going to sit here and watch me wrench. I'll come back and show you the finished product. Thanks. All right, so nice little time lapse. Hopefully you caught all that. And I haven't gone and torqued anything down. So what we've gone is and put on the clutch slave cylinder, 2 bolts. Of course, the push rod goes inside the body of the clutch slave cylinder. Mechanical bolt fits inside the motor, of course, as the crankshaft turns. That, of course, turns the fuel and pumps it from the tank up into the carburetor, which then feeds the engine. So see if I can bring you in here for a little closer look at these things. So here you can see, here is the carb all mounted up. So that looks pretty nice. Bring you over here without giving you any vertigo. And this, of course, is the clutch slave cylinder. So all nice and bolted up. Like I said, I have not torqued any of this yet. So I will come back and torque that now. I'm going to torque it off camera so you don't have to watch me do all that. But yeah, I'll torque that up, and then I'll come back and see what other little bits of projects we can get cranked out this afternoon or this evening. So again, thanks for watching. Please click the link to subscribe, and of course, appreciate the support, and come back for more.